In the heart of one of Haiti's most remote and poorest communities, hope grows where it once seemed lost. It is here one finds Chemen Lavi Miyò, or CLM, pathway to a better life. CLM empowers women-led families living in ultra-poverty, so poor they are often forgotten and not even counted in their community census. Without shelter or food, the dream of a better tomorrow seems unattainable. Over 18 months, the CLM program transformed their lives through training and opportunity. Each family is paired with a dedicated case manager who guides them on their journey. The program provides life skills, training, healthcare, and assets to start a small business and build or repair their home. And the CLM families support each other along the way. The No Home keeps the rain out. A private latrine offers security, and a filter provides clean water. They learn to create income, raising livestock, growing crops, and running small businesses such as selling snacks. And members of each CLM group establish their own village savings and loan. With the funds saved, they dream bigger, expanding their commerce, sending children to school, securing a plot of land, and reinvesting in the futures. Take my niece. She joined CLM when she had no home, no savings, and no hope. With CLM's support, she and her partner built a home, started saving, and now feed their family 3 times a day. Or Rudia, who grew a small business into a thriving enterprise, creating stability for her children and dreaming of a home she'll build herself. She now can even provide for her mother, who used to provide for her. 95% of the women who enter the CLM program graduate independent, confident, and full of pride. They become leaders, role models, and architects of change in their communities. By empowering women, Chemen Lavi Miyò inspires hope, restores dignity, and unleashes dreams for the future. Because when you empower women, you transform families. And when you transform families, you transform their communities. Cultivating hope, transforming lives.